it's Brian once again. Today I'm really excited to do this unboxing. This is the first time I'm owning a product like this. Never done anything like this before, but everything's got to start at some point. And please excuse my lighting setup or video setup because I'm still trying to learn how to do this thing, and I hope it will be something nice that I can show. So, got a product from BH Photo today, 31st December. I would say it's like a gift to myself for the new year. And we have here the DJI Mavic Mini. This is the drone, which is they claim to be 249 grams and does not require a flying license as long as you maintain certain FAA rules and regulations within the area you're living in. And this is my first drone and one of the first products from DJI that I'm gonna own. Let's do the unboxing. This, by the way, is the Flymark combo. Comes with the cage, the device itself, the drone, remote control, a quick charger with 3 extra batteries, and a carrying case. Let's find out what's inside this. I'm really excited. We are. This is the gorgeous and nice box from DJI, and I believe everything is in there included, and I see there's a separate box in here. A couple more extra stuff. Oh, this is the batteries. Okay. Go ahead, find out. So first off, okay, this is the flying cage. If you're flying indoors, this is what's gonna help you so that you don't ruin the drone blades, because this drone is super light, but the problem being this thing does not have any sensors on the side, so no collision detection. Only the bottom part is supposed to have these sensors. That's only for assisted landing. Pretty much relevant. Right, propeller guards. I'm not gonna go and open the other one, just I believe one of them is enough, so just put it on, pop it on the drone itself, and you can fly indoors, no problem. They'll hold. Over here we have the charger. Okay, nothing too fancy, just the DJI logo here, and it's a pretty simple charger. So we'll put it to the side. I don't know what this is. Okay, these are your manuals, your do's and don'ts, manuals, quick start guide, regular stuff. Something worth reading, because for me it's the first time. It's pretty excited. I'm gonna put this to the side. These are the batteries, yeah, so that's right here. combo comes with 2 extra batteries, so one pops into the drone and the other 2 are your spares. So each battery, they claim, has 30-minute flight time. And for a drone of this size, it's pretty impressive. It's pretty impressive. I'm not gonna open all the batteries. This is the battery. Very basic, looks very simple. Just pop it into the drone and I believe you're good to go. Put them to the side now. Now, the moment of truth. The Mavic Mini from DJI. Box is good. It's sturdy. It's nice. Not too fancy. It's nice. I love simple stuff. There you go. This is the Mavic Mini. Look at this. Just for size comparison, I would just, I don't know, let me grab something. See, it's a very tiny box. See, for size comparison, it's a tiny one. And it's so light. And it's, I would say, compared to what the electronics are and what they claim it to be, it's extremely light. Unbelievable. Comes with the gimbal guard over here, and these are the propellers, all well installed in factory condition. This is the quick charger. Can load up 3 batteries and can also act as a portable charger too. This is the charger for the drone, and this is the controller. Very basic. Okay. I'm not gonna pop up on anything. So it opens like that. The controllers. What people say, like from previous ones, the controller sticks. They used to fall off, but over here I can see they have made it like a locking mechanism here. So all you have to do is just put it on and you're good to go. For now, I'll just take it off. Back in. And that's the antenna. It's a very simple one. And the cables go in on the side. Nothing too fancy here, it's very basic. Your phone goes in there, by the way. Let's see what we got here. Okay, these are the cables. The cables that go into the remote and connect to your phone. This is probably the charging cable, basic cables. You got the lightning cable, you got the USB-C, USB-B, micro USB, sorry. Let's see what's in here. Okay, these are your extra set of propellers. Now bear in mind about one thing. Each propeller, the front and the back, the left and the right, they have their significant symbols. We will get into that later on in a later video, but for now, this is what we have. The DJI Mavic Mini Fly Mode Combo. Like this video, and if you have any questions, anything that you want to know about this drone, especially for my friends who are interested to purchase one, please give me a knock. You know my Facebook ID, you know my Instagram, if you have any other questions. And for people who do not have me in their Facebook or the other social media sites, you're always welcome to leave a comment on my videos. I will be more than happy to respond to your queries. Although I'm a first time flyer on this thing, but I hope I can make it nice. I'm ready to roll with this thing, trying to learn from the other inspirational videos on YouTube and other social media sites. And please put a thumbs up and a like, and do subscribe to my channel. I would be really happy if you do. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.